Hello, Min.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, how are you tonight?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, okay. So now, okay, did you see your homework
Yes.
in the Zalo? Did your mom told you about that? Min?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay. So teacher Ann is trying to give you those. At least you will practice more. If in case you are not okay, I will not be giving assignment to you today. I will just only give one homework every week. Okay, so I will just give you one homework only. Okay, so so we will have you told me that the cat is quite harder, getting harder, and you need to practice Did you hear teacher Anne?
Yes.
Did you hear me? I cannot hear your voice.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so here, okay, teacher Anne wants you to learn more about cat. Okay, my plan is that I want you to go through with the cat before we will going to the pet. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, so at least you will be ready with a few steps, with a few lessons before going to pet. Do you like that?
Yes.
Okay, just tell teacher Anne if you really want to go to pet now or next week or like that. But I recommend that you have to go to cat first. We have slowly and at least you will be familiarized with cat. I know you are a very smart girl. I am sure of that because I can see you are just very shy. You did not show your face to teacher. Why, Min? You show your face to teacher sometimes. Are you shy to teacher up until now?
Yes.
Oh, don't be shy. Okay, I'm your teacher. Okay, don't be shy. Why are you shy to teacher? You're so pretty. And then you didn't show your face in the what's that? In the video. Oh, you're very shy. Okay, so that's our agreement. So you have to undergo the cat. You wanna go for the cat, all the cat?
Yes.
What do you want?
I go to cat.
Louder, man. I cannot hear you.
Go to cat.
Oh, you go to cat first. Okay. We will continue the cat and then if we're done, we'll go to pet. Is that okay for you?
Yes.
Okay. I know you're very smart, man. I really know you're very smart. Okay. That's why I want you to go step by step in cat and then after that one, you will go to pet. Okay? I want you to master the cat. I really want you to master the cat. I will help you for that. Okay? Okay, Min? Okay, Min?
Yes.
Okay. So, don't be shy to teacher. Okay. If you have problem, you can tell to teacher Ann, okay? Here. Okay, I'll be showing you Cat 4 Test 3 because we did not do this. Don't worry, me. Please don't try to be shy to teacher Ann. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, here, Min. Okay, can you see that one? We have questions here. We are reading now. We have Cat 4 Test 3. Okay. We have to do that one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. for a while. Okay, so we have here questions 1 to 5. Okay, so, and of course, you will have to answer that one. Okay, Min, try to do that. You tell me, Min, if you are done. Okay, so here. So what will be your answers for number one? You can't leave your car here all day. So what's that?
C.
Letter C, short stay car park. Okay, so you will have, you cannot leave your car here for entire day because you are only allowed to use the car park for 2 hours. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, what's your answer for number two? You pay less to eat at this time.
G.
Letter G. So all meals, it's half price for 5 to 6 p.m. Okay. How about number three? If you are staying here, you may leave your car in this place.
E.
E, let's see, very good. Parking for hotel guests only. Of course, if you stay in the hotel, you of course has the right to park in their place. Very good, Min. Number four, bring a friend here for lunch and you will pay for only one meal. Okay, what's your answer?
I.
A. Okay, letter D mean the answer is two meals for the price of one. Okay, one voucher. Okay, it's okay. Number five mean you cannot drive here at the moment.
I.
A. Okay, let's see. Yeah, of course, because the road is closed and because of the traffic accident. So that's probably the reason you cannot drive in this place because it's closed. Okay, so you got four correct answer. Okay, Min. By the way, Min, did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, did you understand what does it mean? Because I am asking you every now and then. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, no further questions?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, don't be shy, Min. Okay, I am asking you to please try to speak and don't be shy to teacher. Okay, Min. For part 2 questions 6 to 10, you will read here the sentences about cooking a meal. Okay, like cooking a meal. Okay, here. So please try to answer this one.
I'm done.
Okay, so here friend Carol blank she'd like to go to.
I
A said, okay. At the shopping center, they went up in the blank to the shops. They went at the shopping center. They went up in the blank to the shops on the second floor.
stay.
Stairs. Very. Oh, the answer is lift. At the shopping centers, they went up in the lift to the shop on the second floor. Lift. When they went up. Okay, 8. Susan tried on some shoes, but they were the blank color.
Uh, B.
Okay, wrong color. The color is not correct. Okay, number 9. They stopped in a cafe for a drink and a blank of a cake
C.
and a piece of a cake. Number 10. The cafe was blank, but they didn't have to wait a long time.
B.
Busy, yes, it's busy, but they didn't have to wait for a long time. Okay, so you understand about this mean? No questions?
No.
Okay, okay. Here mean for part 3, we have questions 11 to 15. So you have to complete the 5 conversations. Okay, this is very easy for you. Okay, go Min, this one. Oh, finally, you show your face. Go Min. Okay. Okay, here. So in number 11, how did you go to Madrid? What's your answer for this, Min?
B.
B, of course, it's by plane because you are asking here how. Number 12, I really must go now.
B.
Letter B, can't you stay? Okay. Number 13, is Mike still doing his homework?
C.
Letter C, let's ask him. Okay, because this is a question. Of course, is Mike still doing his homework? This is a question, so you will have to ask and answer in return. Okay. And number 14, I can't understand this letter. What's your answer for this, Min?
O.
Oh, would you like some help? So you are offering. I can't understand this letter, Teacher Anne. So you will say, would you like some help, Min? Or like that. Number 15, are you sure the film starts at 10?
A.
Yes, I am. Because you are asking, are you sure? Of course, you are the one that's the one being talked about, or I mean, you are the second person. Are you sure the film starts at 10? Of course, you will answer, yes, I am. Okay, very good. Good job, Min. Okay, here, Min. For 16 to 20, you will have another conversations to complete. What does Tom say to the receptionist? Okay, so we have here the journalists. Okay, the journalists, they are talking the journalist and Sarah. Okay, so they have to complete the conversations. What does Tom say to the receptionist? But I guess this one is not about Tom. It's about the journalist and Sally. So what is their conversation about? I will read journalist and please answer Sally. When did the thunderstorm start?
F.
Okay, can you please read it, Min?
Um, I'm not sure. This was after I went to bed.
Okay, here, let's see. Very good. Okay. Number 17. Okay. And when do you usually go to bed?
At 11 most night.
Okay, at 11 most nights. So before you went to sleep, you heard a noise in the garden?
That's why I did. I ran out and saw a tree fall on the house.
Okay, that's right. I did. I ran out and saw a tree fall on the house. Number next is, were you afraid?
Um, um, I was as close until so nobody was hurt.
Okay. It was at first until I saw nobody hurt was hurt. And how old was the tree?
That's the sad thing. It's been in the garden for about 200 years and may barely finish.
Okay, it's letter E. It's that's a sad thing because it's been the garden for 200 years. Oh my god, it's very old. And many birds live on it. Okay, that's a very old trees. Okay, so do you understand me in what they are talking about?
About a thunderstorm.
Okay, they are talking about the thunderstorm. Okay. So what is in the tree? I mean, why there is a tree? What is the connection of the tree to the thunderstorm?
Many birds live in it.
What else? Why? Why about that?
It's been in the garden for about 200 years.
Okay. So the trees is there for 200 years. So but then because of the thunderstorm there is okay a noise that they heard in the garden and it's the tree. Okay. So you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, Min. Okay, next here, Min. For 21 to 27, all you have to do is you will write A, B, C. A for right, B for wrong, and C if it doesn't say. Okay. A, B, and C. Okay, so it's not that bad because it's all the answers are still here. Okay, let's try this. Go, Min. Okay? So we have here, Tisha will read this. It's about the ice fishing. Okay. If you drive north from Toronto for 3 hours, you come to Lake Nipissing. In the winter, the lake becomes ice, and thousands of Canadian fishermen travel there each weekend. They build little houses of wood on the ice and paint them in bright colors. Then they sit inside to catch the fish that swim under the ice. Bob Marshvick has come here at this time of the year for 25 years. You need a clothes that are light but warm, two pairs of socks, and a gloves, several thin sweaters, and a snowsuit suit on top. Catching the fish is easy, he says. First, you break the ice and make a small round hole in it. Next, you take the fishing line and put some bread on it. Then, you put the line through the hole and into the water. You pull the line up when the fish eat the bread. They are between 10 and 20 centimeters long. Some people like to eat them, but when I have caught 3 or 4 fish, I prepare to have some chocolate or other snacks. Today, I have caught 25. It's a great sport and you can meet some nice people here. Okay, so these are about the ice fishing. Okay, so when you go there, do you understand this mean? Okay. Can you give me a little thought or what you have understand about this ice fishing?
It's about not Toronto, the lake.
Yes, louder please.
It's about the ice fishing.
Okay. And then what else? It's about ice fishing. What else?
How to catch a fish on the
Okay.
ice.
Okay. So it's about the ice fishing and on how to catch the fish on the ice. So do you think, man, this is what's that? This is wonderful thing or wonderful idea to go there? It's a lake, but then it has ice. Do you think it's wonderful? How about your own idea?
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful. Have you experienced fishing?
No,
Oh, not in the ice, of course. Just in the lake or in the river. Have you experienced that?
no.
Oh yeah. And teacher Anne also haven't tried that one, but I really love to go to. Okay, so in this case, okay, this is very tricky, very dangerous because what if the ice will broke? Of course, all will break. And then what happened? Of course, you will be drawn in the water unless they know how to swim. Okay, do you have answer for this? For zero, what's your answer?
A.
A, it is right. People can travel to Lake Nipissing by car. Okay, how about 21?
A. I'll see.
Okay, it doesn't say. Fishermen only use the houses on Lake Nipissing in winter. Okay, it's letter A, it's right. 22, the fishermen sit in the boats to catch the fish.
B.
B, it's wrong. They will have to sit on the ice and make a hole of it. 23, Bob goes to Lake Nipissing every winter.
A.
A, correct. Bob wears old clothes for ice fishing.
C.
See, it doesn't say. Number 25. The fish are usually longer than 20 centimeters.
B.
Letter B. When Bob has caught few fish, he cooks them. He cooks them and eats them.
B.
B. It's not true because when he were able to catch a few fish like five, what he will do? He would prefer eating chocolate or snack. It's not the fish. But Bob thinks ice fishing is a way of making new friends.
I.
Of course, because when you go there, of course, there's a lot of people who do that way. So, of course, you can gain a friends. Okay, good job, Min. Yay! Number 5 questions. 28 to 35, you will have to read the article about farming and choose the best answer. Okay, go, Min.
Hanggang.
Okay, hear me. So this is the history of farming. Teacher Anne will read and you will have to answer me while I am reading the story and the selections. Okay, so let's start with 28. Okay, I mean 04. Before people started farming, they went to the forest to look for plants or fruit they could eat. This meant that people blank moving all the time to find food. What's the answer?
C.
Okay, this meant that people, okay, very good, were moving all the time to find food. But about 12,000 years ago in the Middle East, people to grow food.
A.
Began, very good. These few people were the first farmers. Farming made blank possible,
B.
made it possible for people to stay in blank place. 31. In
Uh, A.
in a very good in one place. Now, okay. And slowly their villages got bigger. Some people in the village became free to do other work, like making clothes. 32. Blank, the farmers could grow food,
A.
but the answer is because the farmer could grow food for everyone. Unfortunately, farming was difficult because when the weather was bad, and then some people did not get blank food to eat,
A.
did not get enough food to eat. Today, farmers blank grow more food.
Uh, B.
Today, farmers can grow more food. Okay, food, and it travels thousands of kilometers from where it blank grown to our homes.
C.
Letter C. It travels thousands of kilometers from where it is grown to our homes. Very good. Yay. So you understand this? Uh,
Yes.
what's that mean? So this is the history of farming. So before people started farming, they went to the forest to look for fruits and plants. But then, this is 12,000 years ago in the Middle East. People have to grow food because these people were the first farmer. That was 12,000 years ago. The first are the people who go and find food. They are the first farmer. Farming for them made it very possible for the people to stay in one place because most of the people 12,000 years ago, they are nomads. Nomads are the people who don't stay, or they don't like to stay in one place. They are having one place to another. So from here, if they don't like here, they will move to other place because they think that they cannot find a food. So we called it as nomads, people who does not have a permanent house or permanent locations. Okay, so they will transfer to other. So before that one, when they found out that they can find a food, okay, that makes them as the first farmers. And then farming for them will let the people to stay in one place. Some people in the village became free to do the other work, okay? Like they're making clothes, and the farmers can grow food. But then, unfortunately, farming was difficult because the weather was bad. Of course, if the weather was bad, you cannot have a proper farming. So that's why, of course, people don't have a food to eat. That's very hard for them. So, but today you can learn that there are, what's that? There are, the farmers can grow more than thousands, and they can travel 1,000 kilometers to grow for a glance. So it's not quite easy, it's not quite hard nowadays to plant or to have a farming, to have your own land to be farmed. But before, the history is far of farming is very hard. So they have to work hard to have something to eat. Unlike now, today it's very easy. The farmers now is not quite hard. Okay. So do you understand about mean?
Yes.
Okay, you understand what is teacher Ann telling about that? Okay, no problem. You
Yes.
understand now? Okay. So, Min, we will be seeing each other on, what's that? On Tuesday. Sorry. Sorry, Min, I cannot really memorize. Okay. I'll be seeing you on, when is that? 157. Okay, when, what's that? Today is Saturday. So, I'll be seeing you, oh, by the way, tomorrow. Wait, hold on. On Tuesday, Min? Do we have meeting on Tuesday, Min?
Uh,
Sorry, teacher, and forget about that. Oh my God, maybe I was out of the list. Just teacher and don't have. I forgot also. But I will be checking that. On anyway, I will contact you for that. Maybe Tuesday. I forgot. Sorry, Min. Maybe Tuesday. Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, it's Thursday and Saturday. Sorry, Min. I will be seeing you on Thursday. Okay, Min?
yes.
Okay, Min, thank you for tonight. Really thank you, and teacher, and I am really happy that you got perfect again. So as what teacher Ann said, we have to undergo the cat. Do you want it? Slowly, we will go to cat, and then after that, we will move to pet. Okay? Oh, show me your face. You're very beautiful. Oh, you're still shy again, always? Min? Min, are you shy, Min? Min? Okay, Min, did you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay. So, again, I will be seeing you on Thursday. Don't be shy, Min, please. Okay? So, if you have problem, please tell teacher. Okay?
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay. Okay, goodbye, Min.